Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pop-ups in WordPress. First, you need to select a suitable plugin. Many excellent options exist, like Opt-in Monster for advanced targeting or Pop-up Maker for versatility. Think about your specific needs, whether it's collecting emails or promoting sales. Look for features such as intuitive drag-and-drop builders and a good selection of pre-designed templates to simplify your creation process. Next, let's focus on designing your pop-up to be both attractive and effective. Your pop-up should be visually appealing, using high-quality images and consistent branding. Craft a clear, concise message with a compelling headline and a strong call to action, like "Get my code." Always ensure your design is responsive, looking perfect on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones with an easily visible close button. Now, let's configure when and where your pop-up appears. You can set triggers such as exit intent, which activates when a user tries to leave, or a time delay, like 5 seconds after page load. Display rules allow you to target specific pages, posts, or even user roles. Consider advanced options like showing pop-ups only to mobile users or those from a particular country for maximum impact. Finally, monitoring your pop-up's performance is crucial for success. Most plugins offer built-in analytics to track impressions, conversions, and conversion rates. You can also integrate with Google Analytics for more detailed event tracking. Remember to /B test different designs and messages to see what resonates best with your audience. Always offer value, avoid overwhelming users, and ensure pop-ups are easy to close.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.